Welcome to the Zero Exchange video tutorials. In this video you will learn how to buy Zero by using a credit card. To be able to buy Zero you need a compatible wallet. We will be using the Metamask extension. Please refer to the Zero Metamask tutorial which shows how to install and configure Metamask for the Zero Exchange. Open Zero.exchange and launch the Zero application. Select Buy Zero from the menu. Fill in your mail address in the form. Copy your Metamask wallet address and paste it in the form. Click on Buy Zero and follow the payment instructions. The purchase zeros are sent to the Ethereum network as an ERC20 token. More blockchain networks may be added in the future. Note that each first purchase of a new credit card has a buying limit of $500. Also note that credit card payments are not possible for all countries.